If you wish to make your internet speed faster, then this is the step. Press Windows plus arrow. Type in ncpa.cpl. Click enter. Go to Wi-Fi. Right click. Select properties. Come down to Internet Protocol version 4. Select it. Select use the following DNS server address. To prefer DNS servers, put 1.1.1.1, and to alternate DNS server, put 1.0.0.1, and click on OK. Click on OK. Go back to Wi-Fi. Right click. Come back to properties. Select. Go to configure. Select. Go to advanced. Select. Come to on property. Come to fat channel intolerant. Select. Make it disabled. Come to prefer band. Go to value. On a value, select prefer 5.2G AZ band. Select. Come to roaming aggressiveness. Select lower, because the higher the roaming aggressiveness, the lower your computer internet speed is going to be. The lower your roaming aggressiveness, the highest your computer internet speed is going to be. So select lowest and click on OK. Exit network connections. Restart your PC and check your internet connection and internet speed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.